Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, not about the stars, but about the sheer, mind-boggling scale of human ambition pushing beyond them? We're talking about spaceships, those incredible machines that defy gravity and propel us into the unknown. But here's the question that really gets me: how many people are actually using them? Not just astronauts, but everyone involved, from engineers to support staff, to those who might even be booking a ticket for a future space tourism flight. It's a question that opens up a whole universe of considerations, and frankly, it's not as straightforward as you might think. Let's break it down. When we think of using spaceships, our minds immediately jump to astronauts. They're the visible heroes, the ones we see floating in the International Space Station, conducting experiments, and capturing those breathtaking Earth-from-space photos. But the reality is, for every astronaut in orbit, there's a vast network of people on the ground making it all possible. Think about the engineers designing and building these complex machines. We're talking about teams spread across multiple countries, working on everything from propulsion systems to life support. Then, there are the mission control personnel, the unsung heroes who monitor every aspect of a mission, ensuring the safety and success of the crew. They're the voices in the astronauts' ears, the ones calculating trajectories, and the ones reacting to any unexpected hiccups. And that's just the government-funded space programs. We can't forget the burgeoning private space industry. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are pushing the boundaries of space travel, aiming to make it more accessible and, eventually, more commonplace. They're developing reusable rockets, designing space capsules for tourists, and even planning for future space habitats. This means a whole new wave of people are using spaceships in a way we've never seen before. So, how do we quantify this? Well, if we're strictly talking about humans in space at any given moment, the numbers are relatively small. The International Space Station typically houses a crew of around 6 or 7 astronauts. However, that's just the tip of the iceberg. If we expand our definition to include everyone involved in the design, construction, operation, and support of spacecraft, the numbers swell dramatically. We're talking about thousands of engineers, technicians, scientists, and support staff working across the globe. And then there's the future of space tourism. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin have already sent paying customers to the edge of space. While these flights are still relatively rare and expensive, they represent a significant step towards making space travel more accessible. As more people take these suborbital and eventually orbital flights, the number of people using spaceships will continue to grow. Furthermore, consider the indirect users. The scientists analyzing data collected from space telescopes and planetary probes, the researchers developing new materials and technologies for space exploration, and even the people using satellite-based services like GPS and communication networks. All of these individuals are benefiting from the use of spaceships, even if they're not physically on board. Therefore, the answer to how many people use spaceships isn't a single, definitive number. It's a complex and evolving figure that depends on how we define use. It's a testament to the collaborative, global effort required to push the boundaries of human exploration. The true count is a dynamic, ever-increasing figure, reflecting the growing accessibility and importance of space travel. From the few astronauts orbiting Earth to the countless individuals contributing to the space industry, the number of people using spaceships is far greater than most people realize. It's a testament to our collective drive to explore the cosmos and unlock the secrets of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.